To get the most out of Google Analytics, it is essential to set up and manage your Google Analytics property effectively. The first step is to create a new property in Google Analytics, which involves setting up a new account or adding a new property to an existing account. When creating a new property, you will need to provide a website name and URL, as well as select an industry category and time zone. Next, you will need to install the Google Analytics tracking code on your website, which can be done by copying and pasting the code into the header or footer of your website's HTML. It is also important to test the tracking code to ensure that it is working correctly and that data is being collected. One of the key concepts in Google Analytics is the concept of views, which allow you to filter and analyze data for specific subsets of your website. For example, you can create a view for a specific subdomain or for a specific type of traffic. It is a good practice to create multiple views for different purposes, such as one view for all website data and another view for specific marketing campaigns. Another important concept is the concept of goals, which allow you to track specific actions on your website, such as form submissions or purchases. To set up a goal, you will need to define the goal and assign a value to it, as well as specify the conditions under which the goal will be triggered. In addition to goals, you can also set up events, which allow you to track specific interactions on your website, such as button clicks or video plays. To set up an event, you will need to define the event and specify the conditions under which it will be triggered. Best practices for Google Analytics property include regularly reviewing and updating your tracking code, creating multiple views for different purposes, and setting up goals and events to track specific actions on your website. It is also important to ensure that your Google Analytics property is secure and that only authorized users have access to your data. By following these best practices and taking the time to set up and manage your Google Analytics property effectively, you can get the most out of Google Analytics and gain valuable insights into your website's traffic and behavior. This will enable you to make data-driven decisions and improve the performance of your website over time.